pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
Hey gems, hey everyone. Today is the day that the collaboration starts. I am so excited. So if you're watching this video, you know that there's a collaboration going on with a bunch of channels. There might be 10, there might be 15, there might be 8. I'm not sure. There will be a playlist in my description box down below that's going to have all the channels and then the channel names plus numbers next to them. 1 through 10, 1 through 8, whatever it is. You guys need to watch those videos and then take a look at the list of palettes I have in the description box that's random right next to the list of channels, and you've got to match the palette with the look in the video. So what would you do? Okay, so let's say you've got number 1 and this is Amanda's channel and you want to pick, she used Colourpop. You would put number 1 or her channel name and Colourpop. And guess what? You can enter for as many channels as there is. So if you enter and you guess one time, you make sure you're subscribed to me and you're subscribed to that channel that you want to support. You come back to this video, in the comments, you put that channel name or the number next to it and the palette you think they used, and you're done. Now, we're all in quarantine, so you guys want to have some fun, right? So you can go back through all the channels and guess. But if you're going to do all the channels and guess, try to do it in one comment, even if you have to go back and edit your comment. Do 1 through 8, whatever it is, the channel name, or you could just do the numbers if you want, because I'll know what it is. And then for as many you get right as many entries you're going to get in a drawing to win this. It's going to be a palette. Yes, I picked up 10 palettes from Morphe. They are not in yet. They should be arriving today or tomorrow. And I do have one myself and I wanted to do a look, but I can't find it. I think it might be in a certain 16-year-old now. Oh my gosh, she's 16 now, in her room. Anyhow, that's how things are going to go. If you have any questions at all whatsoever, let me know. But the giveaway is totally on me. It is not on these other channels. These other channels are just participating for the fun of it and because I love them and because they're amazing and I want to introduce them to you guys. So, but if to participate, you definitely need to be subscribed to the channels. Okay, so if you're not going to do all 8, you don't need to be, or however many there are, you don't have to be subscribed to all 8, but you do need to be subscribed to me and to those channels, that the ones you are going to be guessing on. And I do hope that you have fun. And this is going to go on for 10 days. So you will have an opportunity 10 days from now. I'm going to go ahead and upload a video on the winners. Yes, I am. It's going to be super exciting and I'm so excited. And then for all of you who get and win this palette, we can do a smoky eye look together. I'm so excited about that. If you're a creator, we can do it together. If you're not a creator, you know, I would love to see how your looks come out with it. I will definitely do demonstrations on it. All that stuff, we will figure it out. Definitely, I will find my own. However, another special announcement real quick before y'all get started. Look. Now, if for some reason this video blows up and the channels blow up, I will be doing an extra giveaway. And it is the new Morphe Everyday Chic 35C palette. Wow. Oh, they went back to, oh, plastic. This feels nice. Okay, let's see. Let's see her. Oh. Oh yeah, who wants to dive into that? I got 3 of them, by the way, because you guys know I love to do giveaways. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Have a ball watching all these videos. I hope that you get some inspiration for your own looks. And if you do have any questions, like I said, put them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. But just to recap, the playlist. Watch all the videos. You'll see the numbers, the order that the video's in. You'll see the name. Like if the channel name is ayyyeitsamanda, it's gonna say ayyyeitsamanda #1 Amanda, you know, in the description box. So you'll be able to choose the palette, and just the palettes won't have numbers. They're just gonna be a list of it. So you'll just choose which one you think she did and put it next to that number in the comments on this video down below. So guys, go have some fun. And then let me know what you think. And I am wishing you all so much luck. Share their videos out. You've got to comment on their video too, so they know that. I'm so sorry, I forgot to say that. And for the giveaway, you got to be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. So if you don't have a parent's permission and you want to participate, go get one. And that'll be fine. I don't care. It's international. I don't care where you live. Okay, I don't mind at all sending you a palette if you live in Hong Kong. You know, it's totally cool with me. So I think that that's all that I have to say about that, but the official rules will be in the description box all the way down on the bottom, and the end date for this contest too. So that will be it. I love you all so very much, and I will see you guys real soon. Have fun. Bye.
To run home, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall.